We are here with another interesting episode, very exciting personality at People at HB. Let's welcome our lead business consultant, Vidhi Suthar. Hello,
Hi,
how are you?
I'm doing amazing.
So tell me something about yourself.
15 years of experience as an lead business consultant. I handle ERP, I handle RFPs and enterprise customers. I talk to people, I find out solutions for them at HB.
Okay, that's your professional front. You are married, you have a daughter, and still you are going very strong at your professional life. So, how do you manage all these fronts?
Work at work, home at home. So it's quite manageable. And HB is a kind of office which gives an approach to handle both. So I don't have to worry about it.
That's really nice. So, do you recall your first day at HB? How was it like?
It was just amazing, very comfortable. I didn't feel like it was my first day. It was comfort at home.
Really?
Yes.
Any special moment of your first day?
I met n number of people that day. We used to sit at the other office. So nothing as such specific, but yes, I was made very comfortable. It was not a new office to me.
So, you have a very long journey with HB.
Yes.
So, there might be a shift with people, with your position.
Yes.
So, how did you started and where are you now? How has it been?
I started as an BA. So basically, when I started, I used to handle, or I was targeted to handle certain things. Then looking at the approaches, looking at the idealization, looking at how they wanted, they structured, they made me learn, they guided me, and based on that, there was an increase with the organization as well.
When you joined HB, you were working under your leaders. Now, over all these years, you must be having a team of your own and you would be leading them. How is that changed to you?
I still work under leaders. Yes, I have a team, and my team is amazing.
How do you
I
approach?
love them. Typically, I call them my bachas in the office, and whole office knows it. Both ways, it is well appropriate, I would say. Working under leaders, yes, you know to learn these strategies, what in exact leaders do, and how it has to be approached under your team. So, leadership quality in terms of leading a team is really good. So, working under a leader and being a leader and helping team, both the ways I have learned.
Which is the biggest challenge you have faced over these years?
Challenge I could not say, but yes, one thing, when my project was going live, I was like, how? And then it went so smooth. I was like, wow.
No, that's not a challenge. Come on.
That's what I said. It is not a challenge, but yes, there is a feeling for a human when something is going to happen. We feel very scared of it. Even at times for the meetings while we go, अरे क्या होगा, क्यों होगा, कैसे होगा, and then when you come out of the meeting and it has been went so smooth, like अरे हो गया. So that's something I would call a challenge.
Going with the fear and
Going
coming
with-
out successful.
Yes, of course.
Which is your biggest milestone? Like कौन सा project ऐसा है कि यार ये तो मैंने बहुत सही काम किया है?
I have worked on many projects. But for me, if I would not say rather a project, I would say a submission of an RFP is the biggest achievement for me, what I do on day-to-day basis.
So do you have a number on projects you have worked?
I have been working for both service and product. So services, I would say many projects which can be linked to mobile applications, or I would say websites. I have also worked for products, which is Rockeye. So yes, many projects in that as well, in terms of sales, production, procurement, inventory management. So based on the industries, we have come across many submissions and the projects both, wherein we are dealing in depth. So how the actual system work based on the client's need is what we do. So I would, rather than giving a number, I would say many projects we have worked on under the leadership and with the team both.
Times have changed. New technologies has been a part of our workflows, and one of the major technologies is AI. So how has it changed your day-to-day work?
If I talk about AI, yes, it has done a major change in the work process. It has shifted to predictive analysis, basically, I could say. The work which we used to do in number of days, now we are doing it in number of hours. So yes, AI has changed a lot. The working pattern, the working style, the approaches towards the work, and our core, which is requirement gathering and analysis, has been drastic change to it.
So is it a boon to you or a curse to you?
I would rather say a boon. Curse, I don't think, because if it is taken in a right way, it is boon for everyone. So maybe for myself and the company both.
So there's this bubble going on that AI will eat your job. Do you believe with that?
AI always has a human layer. How to use it, when to use it, what way to use it, it's the most critical part. You have to go with a phase. There is always an approach to look at something. So instead of getting scared of taking a job, I would rather say, why not fight with it and learn from it? So that's what our HB also makes us learn. Work together. So it is AI and the HBM working together to complete a nice project, I could rather say.
Nice. So Vidhi, one last question before we move to a fun rapid fire round. What made you choose Hidden Brains? And what made you stay here for this long?
Choosing Hidden Brains was actually by choice. I still remember the day I came for an interview, and that interview lasted only for 10 minutes. And it was a wow experience. Looking at the strategy, looking at the approach of people, the way I was greeted when I entered the office, the first day, of course, the approach, what I got, even with time and the phase I have been working with HB, the work matters, the people matter. So major, if I talk about an employment, as an employee, it would be more to me will be I am heard. I have options to say, to modify things, to think. So yes, that made to me to choose HB, and still I am here. Learning to execution. The complete role is been defined so well. I have access to each and every member of HB, though it may be for problem solving, for a new opportunity, for guidance. So I'm happy to work here.
That's nice to hear. So let's move to a quick, fun, rapid fire.
Sure.
You ready?
Yes.
Let's go. If you could have any superpower at work, what would it be?
Mind reading. I would read the mind of clients for sure.
Oh, nice. One word colleagues would use to describe you.
Structured.
No, mommy.
That's not official actually, but
People do use.
Yes, of course.
What do you prefer, innovation or perfection?
Both, I would say. Innovation, yes, but perfection at floor is equally important.
Desk neat or organized?
Organized chaos.
Calls or chats?
Calls, because that may give me a precise information.
Emails or instant messages?
Instant messages for quick replies and emails for precision.
One app you can't live without?
Very common, ChatGPT.
True, everyone can't live without ChatGPT. If you were not in your current role, what would you be doing?
A plus size model.
Oh, nice. If AI could take over one task for you forever, what would it be?
My RSP proposals, for sure.
If you could swap roles with anyone for one day, who would it be?
I would swap it with the CEO because I want to understand the strategic decision making approach.
Wow. CEO. Well, really, it was really nice, really fun having you here. Thanks for being such a lovely guest.
Thank you so much.